Hello guys, good morning! So it's breakfast time. So ayan ang aming breakfast for today na aming radish salad. Then na aming leftover na chicken afritada. Then as usual ang among malunggay soup. Ayan. With matching buko juice. So ayan guys ang aming breakfast for today. Naunta. With our fresh malunggay soup from our backyard. And our favorite radish salad. Ito po ipatapam?